Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Creating with Mimi. This video is the part 2 of fall decor. Let's start with this fireplace that I've had for some time. I wanted to update it. It was looking a little dull, so I changed it, painted out the stone white, and then I changed the hearth. The hearth was lumpy, bumpy. At the time, I don't know what I was thinking of, but I needed something to be a little bit smoother, so I added a stone down below. I did keep the mantle, which is an oversized wood mantle. Absolutely love that piece. And then I just wanted to take the gray out because we're moving away from the gray and update the space a little bit more. So the railing was the cherry wood. I wanted to freshen it up, brighten up that space a lot more, and decided to switch everything out. I am decluttering this section. Things had gotten a little crowded with updating and freshening up the other side of the room, and I kind of moved everything to the back side. That's the beauty of when you're freshening up a space. The spools that you see, they're actually legs to a table that I was going to use, and I changed my mind. Right now I'm placing the furniture back in. It's a curved sectional, but when I started to put things back together, I knew that I wanted to reposition the sectional, and it just didn't work for me any longer. I removed a section from the sofa, and that allowed me to take the curve away. And now I just have an oversized large sofa that reclines, and it was the absolute best thing for the space. You guys remember this table from before in the alcove area. I do have a video up showing you guys how I decorated that space, but I wanted to utilize the table because I do love it. I wanted to update it, and I can't wait to show you guys. I added a fresh coat of paint. The rug that was originally over here was gray, and it matched that taupey gray sofa, but I'm updating it and I want to add some warmth to it. So I'm removing the rug, and I'm actually replacing it with the rug that was on the opposite side of this room. So I will be bringing it over here, just adding a vibrant color and a little bit of warmth. I had so much fun decorating this section of the room and space. Check out the video. Hopefully you guys will be able to pick up some tips and some tricks that you can utilize for your own space. Until next time, make every single day a great day.
Statue staring into the sun. you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah. Cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone. Hey, sitting looking like a loser, but I don't wanna lose ya. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Come change my life for the better, yeah. Stay for a while or forever. Come change my life. Let's go for a ride. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else.
you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Do you feel the same? 'Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes.
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.